Wait, did you think budgeting is boring? No, it's actually your money's GPS. Welcome to our channel. Here you get to know much about personal finance and investing. If this is first time seeing our video, kindly subscribe, likes QMD share with your friends. We want to talk about budget. What is budgeting, why you need one? A budget simply tells your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. It helps you plan, spend wisely, and avoid that end-of-the-month panic. Whether you earn $200 or $5,000, budgeting gives you control. It reduces financial stress, helps you save, and makes sure you're not just working to pay bills. Still think you don't need one? Most successful people use a budget to build wealth, and you should too. Subscribe for part 2, where it'll show you the 3 common budgeting mistakes and how to fix them fast. Let's level up your finances together. Thanks for watching.